Now this is how you can turn off the sound on Capcut on your iPad, and let's get started. If you are brand new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you are subscribed and part of this community so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, if we are talking about like removing the sound or turning it off within a Capcut, you have to apply the like volume effect on all of the clips, right? So when you have the clips selected down below in the timeline, what you have to do is to find the volume once you have the clip selected, and you need to dial down the volume settings for that clip. Of course, if you have multiple of them, or if you plan on like splitting one clip in multiple different parts, it would be better to just mute it beforehand, and then you'll be able to just not have any sound whatsoever. You can of course extract the audio from that clip and also like delete that if you wanted to do it similarly, but I guess it doesn't really make that big of a difference in our case. One last thing though, if you already exported the video from Capcut and if it already like contains all of the sounds and everything, you can still go to your Photos app, check out the edit page where you can turn off the sound for that video, right? So even after you've exported it successfully, perhaps you worked on it in the past, you can still decide to mute it and turn off the sound for that project. So that is going to be about it from me. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.